Hi guys, important tip 101 with tofu. When you're using tofu or getting ready to marinate tofu, you've got to make sure that you drain it. So, and how you do that is I'm making a chicken flavored tonight. So I just have it on a, can't think of what that's called, something that will drain through. Put a towel on top, another one on there. I then go and put another plate on top, and then something quite heavy needs to go on. So I'll probably use my kettle filled full of water, and that stays on there for an hour. And then we'll come back and we'll marinate it. So you can see here I've got a big, I don't know, this must be at least 10 litres of oats in here, rolled oats. So I've got the weight of that. That's been sitting on top of the tofu. I will just show you. Pop that down there. That's been sitting on top of the tofu and allowing any liquid to come out of there. It's not a lot, but it really makes a difference, because if the tofu is full, it won't soak up the marinade that you're using. So now, after an hour of that soaking, I'm going to just pop these aside. Later, clean my hands. I'm going to slice it. Mine are probably about 1 centimetre thick, but of course you can slice it however you like. You can marinate it, the whole piece, and then bake it, fry it or bake it. I'm going to fry it today. So out of that 450 grams, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've got 9 slices. Again, there's no right or wrong way to do that. Slice and slice and slice. Good size jar. You could use a plate. You can use whatever you've got. And I'm going to pop that in there. Flatten it out. Like so. Again, it's really good. The longer you marinate it, the better. But even 10 minutes is really good. Okay, and here is my pre-made sauce. This is a Thai chili, lemongrass, garlic, ginger, a little bit of fish sauce, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. And then I will just tip a bit over the top, not too much. Like so. I just use my hand, or you can use a spoon if you want to. Spread that over, get that soaking, and then I'm going to layer the next lot on top. We won't eat all of this tonight. I will marinate this, and it'll sit in the fridge for up to 4 or 5 days marinating, as long as it's in an airtight container. So that is our protein needs and good fats for most of the week. Put that on there, you can see that's all marinated on there. I'm going to cover that with the lid and let it marinate for probably, I'm baking bread, so let that marinate for at least 45 minutes to an hour.